Hey everybody, Beth Hayes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So glad to have you here. In this MyEcon business presentation, we're going to be talking about updates to the MyEcon 2025 Global Compensation Plan. If you've been watching my other videos, you've heard me talk about some recent updates that there have been to the compensation plan and about how I needed to do another video to catch you guys up. So that's what this video is. This is the catch-up video. Now I will still reference the original video and I'll put that down in the description down below and I'll attach it at the end in the end card. It will have a more lengthy, detailed description of the MyEcon compensation plan. We're just going to do the updates in this version here, okay? So let's go to see some updated slides. Here we are. This is the slideshow for the updated MyEcon compensation plan, world-class compensation plan overview. There's only a total of 7 slides in this whole compensation plan, so we'll just quickly look at the updates here. Update number 1, enrollment memberships. You have heard me mention that MyEcon is now a worldwide company. We have the ability for people in over 150 countries to be a member of MyEcon. So that's pretty much every country, but we are still working on a few so that we can be completely global. I don't think we'll ever get every country in the world, but we'll do the majority of them. Still working on a few more. So we have the Financial Success membership, as mentioned before, $44.95 to enroll, $40.95 for your monthly renewal. The Elite Business membership, $99.95 to enroll, and $59.95 for your monthly renewal. Those are the 2 memberships that are available inside the United States. The Zingo Travel membership is the international membership at $59.95 and $59.95 for your monthly renewal. Okay, down here at the bottom, you can see that affiliates have the option to enroll people at a $20 discount for the Financial Success membership, which would be $24.95. And that is just off of the initial fee to get started. It doesn't affect the monthly renewal at all. Okay, so there are 3 levels of membership, or if you count the $20 off on the FSM membership. Moving along. Okay, enrollment and personal commissions. We'll just bring this whole page up here. This is new. See the red, $7.50 bonus. Okay, so this is, we talked in the previous compensation plan video about team building. If you've been in network marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, you are probably familiar with team building, right? You are the person who is enrolled, and then you enroll other people and you become their sponsor. And depending on what level you enroll them at, if they join at the FSM or the Zingo Travel membership, the international membership, you are earning $35 in commission. Plus, you will earn an additional $7.50 when they do their monthly renewal. In that first 31 days, their renewal will come up for, at this level, it would be the $40.95 monthly renewal. When they do that for the first time, you get an extra $7.50. That's a little bonus that MyEcon is giving out right now. For the first time that people renew, you as their sponsor are getting an extra $7.50. And this is good through October. So depending on when you are watching this video, it should still be in effect if it's before October 2025. Over here is the payout for people who have enrolled at the EBM level. You earn $70 for each person who enrolls at the EBM level, and then you get that $7.50 bonus when they renew their membership at the $59.95 for their monthly renewal. Okay, so you're getting that $7.50 for the first time that people are renewing their monthly membership. And then that's in addition to the original $70 or $35. So again, this is an extra little bonus that MyEcon is doing right now for the period of April to October 2025. Okay, we previously talked about team building on the original compensation video, so I won't touch on that too much here, but just to remind you guys, building a team, you are up here at the top, you bring people on, you share your affiliate link with people, and they join MyEcon, you become their sponsor, and then they become someone else's sponsor, and so on down. We have the generations here. So It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Just briefly touching on that again for you guys. Now, this is a new updated slide in the MyEcon compensation plan. We still have the same 4 levels. The gold level is the same. You reach gold when you are personally sponsoring 2 people. You have 2 active members on your team, you are a gold. The first rank inside MyEcon. Platinum, Infinity, and CEO have all had the number of team members it takes to reach that level lowered. That just happened just a week or 2 ago. MyEcon went through and updated the compensation plan and lowered, yes, made it easier for you to reach these levels. They just barely did that. So here are the updated numbers. Platinum, you need 2 personally enrolled active members. That means you have to sponsor 2 people. And then 10 active members on your team. So what that means for you, you have to have 2 people that you personally sponsored that are active, and the others in the 10, the other 8, could be sponsored by anybody on your team. Okay, so only 10 people to reach the level of platinum. We'll look at the commissions that go along with that in just a minute here, but I wanted to let you know that's down from 13. So if you watch my other video, you'll see that this number is 13 and it's now 10. Updated information, the number for platinum is 10. Infinity is the next rank. Again, you need to have personally enrolled at least 2 people. And then on your team, any of you, any combination of you, enroll a total of 38 active members. 38, okay? So you can enroll all 38, or you can enroll just 2, and everybody else can do the other 36. However that works out for your team. These are the numbers that are needed to reach the level of infinity. Now, you guys, this is down from 75 people on the other slide. I think it was 75. It might have been 73. No, I think it was 75. Anyway, you can refer back to the other slide and look at it, but it's like half the number of people that you need to reach the level of infinity. And you guys, at the level of infinity, I mean, we're talking some pretty serious money that you're making here, okay? So this is super exciting. 38 people is all. CEO, the top rank in the company. You can reach that with 2 personally enrolled active associates and 200 active members. This number is down from 300. Watch the previous video. It's 300. Now we have the updated compensation plan. Only 200 members needed to reach the top rank in the company. And again, that's on your team, okay? Super team, it's talking about sponsor generations down through 5, okay? Generation 1 through 5 is your super team. So don't get too caught up in that terminology there. It just means, you know, you are sponsoring people who are sponsoring people. It's not that big a deal, really. Okay, looking at these slides here. Now, actually, these slides haven't changed except for, so the numbers on them haven't changed, but they've included the international membership here. The Zingo Travel membership is included now on these slides. So if there was any question about where that Zingo Travel membership falls, it's spelled out right here on these slides, okay? So you can see as a gold, which means you sponsored 2 people, you're earning 50 cents on anybody that the person you sponsored. So you sponsored Steve, and Steve sponsored Dave. So when Dave signs up, because Steve sponsored him, you are earning 50 cents as a gold, okay? And depending on what rank you are in the company, this number goes up. You see, as a platinum, it's $150, and infinity, $5, depending on whether they join the FSM or Zingo Travel membership, or the EBM, which is the $99.95 membership, okay? You can see the levels there, the amount that you make per person that gets sponsored, okay? Again, remember that Infinity was only 38 people on your team. 38 people on your team, and you are earning $10 for each person that signs up at the EBM level on your team. So again, back to Steve and Dave. Now, if we say that Steve sponsored Dave and Dave signed up at the EBM level, you are earning $10 if you're an Infinity, okay? So that is how much you're making off of that commission of the EBM level. And you remember, you didn't sponsor Dave, Steve did. So Steve is making the $70 and you're making 10. How's that? Sounds pretty good, right? Yeah. This is a great compensation plan. I want you guys to understand how simple and powerful it really truly is. Okay, so we've got one more slide here. This is the monthly Dream Team residuals. That's what MyEcon calls the monthly renewals when people renew their membership. Just like when you renew your Netflix or your Amazon Prime or your Walmart membership. Same thing here with MyEcon. When people renew their membership, here's the amounts that are getting paid out on that, okay? Again, in gold, you can see that it's 50 cents for the lower two memberships or 70 cents for the EBM membership, based on that monthly renewal that we looked at in the beginning slide. So for FSM, it would be the $40.95. For EBM, it is the $59.95, okay? And then platinum, again, 10 people on your team. Here's the amount that you're getting paid out on those monthly renewals when people renew their monthly membership. Infinity, 38 people on your team. You can see $8 or $11.20 when people renew their membership. Now, guys, this is some serious money. I know, like 38 people on your team, $11.20. But if you remember, Infinity goes from 38 all the way up to 199. So this is the amount that you would be paid for those EBM monthly renewals for people on your team from 38 all the way up to 199. Guys, this is some nice little money here. We're talking, this is residual income coming in. You guys, I hope you understand that residual income coming in is just money that happens while you are sleeping. This is through the efforts of your team here. So not just you, but your whole team on down to infinity. See infinity. Infinity and CEO go through infinity. Also see the word infinity over here. It changes a little bit when you get to generation 6, but not that much really. Anyways, so you're getting paid this amount of money for people on your team renewing their monthly memberships. So again, making money while you sleep. This is it. So that's why MyEcon refers to it as monthly Dream Team residuals. You're making money while you sleep. You're dreaming and money's coming in. How about that? That's pretty cool, right? So that's the updates to the compensation plan for April 2025. I wanted to get those out to you guys so you can see those. Okay, so there's two sides to the MyEcon membership. Side number one, save yourself some money, repair your credit, save yourself some money on your taxes, save yourself some money in your paychecks, bring home more money that way, learn how to manage your debt better. That's what the products are about with MyEcon, okay? Side number two, share your affiliate link with people. When you are thrilled with the results that you're receiving from your digital financial membership with MyEcon, share that affiliate link out there with people and help them to be able to save money as well. So, and then you earn and you are paid handsomely. This compensation plan, this super simple compensation plan, pays you a minimum of 70%. Okay, when someone signs up with MyEcon and you are the person that helped them sign up, you are making a minimum of 70% right now. You cannot make less than that. It is physically impossible, looking at the compensation plan like we just did, for you to make any less than 70%. Again, I have another video about these bonus updates, and I'll put that one down here in the description too, so you guys can reference that as well. But just so that you know, 70% all the way up to 94.5% is what you guys are earning. Send me a message. All of my information is down in the description below, and you know that I'm always putting my phone number up here at the top. Text me. Ask me questions. Ask me how you can get started. Let me help you get going and make your life better. I hope you enjoyed the updates to the compensation plan, and I hope that you found some value in this video. So if you did, hit that like button, and also make sure that you hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell so you can be notified anytime that I post new content here on my YouTube channel about all the things, making money online, MyEcon, my cancer journey, all of the crazy things that are going on in my life. You want to be notified about those new videos that come out. So I'm looking forward to working with you guys. I can't wait to see you on the inside and help you get started. I'll see you on the next video.